Integrative medicine is known for treating the patient's mind and body, considering how these are closely connected. Epsom salt is one tool that integrative medical specialists often recommend for its physical and mental health benefits. While no clinical trials have confirmed the benefits of Epsom salt, many doctors promote it for its ease of use, reasonable price and minimally invasive delivery. Baths can be therapeutic and cleansing. The utility reason people take them is to clean off the dirt and stink of the day. There is nothing wrong with enjoying the act of bathing. You can grab a book, light some candles, pour a glass of wine, and put on your favorite slow music. You could also add some Epsom salt. Why would you want to do that? Watch the video until the end to find out. Hello guys, this is Secret Studio Creations and I hope you all are doing well, and today's video is gonna be about 11 benefits of Epsom salt bath you didn't know about, so let's get right into the video. This channel is fully of psychological facts about love, animal, technology, and many more. If you new to this channel, please subscribe our channel. Benefit number 1. Restore your magnesium. By far the most useful reason to take an Epsom salt bath is to help restore your magnesium. According to studies, stress can decrease your magnesium levels. Combine that with the staggering number of people who already don't get enough of it in their diet, and you have a populace of those who are magnesium deficient. Epsom salt baths can help that, and thus it promotes relaxation, good health, and even helps improve your mood. Benefit number 2. Get your detox on. Taking an Epsom salt bath is a great addition to your detox regimen, or just as a general detox. The sulfates in Epsom salt help draw the toxins and heavy metals out of your body, which can also help improve health and promote a general feeling of wellness. Benefit number 3. Make your skin softer and smoother. The exfoliating qualities in Epsom salt makes it a great home remedy for rough, dry skin. This is especially useful for people who have skin conditions like eczema. Much like everything else about these wonderful salts, it can promote wellness and help improve conditions. Benefit number 4. Help get over certain diseases. Some diseases like athlete's foot, gout, and toenail fungus have been shown to improve with the use of Epsom salt. These are uncomfortable conditions that can take a lot of time to heal. Especially athlete's foot and toenail fungus, because your feet spend all day in shoes and socks. Anything to help these sorts of conditions out are always a good idea. Benefit number 5. Reduce pain caused by inflammation. Between Epsom salt and the warm water of the bath itself, you can help reduce pain caused by inflammation. Whether it's a strain or a sprain, a bruise, or other minor injuries that are caused by inflammation. It can also help with general muscle soreness caused by things like exercise or other extraneous exertions. Benefit number 6. Improve your sulfate levels. As we mentioned earlier, Epsom salt has sulfates. Not only do these help extract toxins from your body, but they can also help promote wellness. When absorbed through the skin, sulfates can promote good skin, joint, and nervous system tissue. Benefit number 7. It can help constipation. A home remedy that people have used for decades is to take a little bit of Epsom salt to help relieve stubborn bowels. Since we've established that most of the minerals in Epsom salt can be absorbed into the body, the minerals are still reaching your bloodstream. If you're a little constipated, then taking a nice soak in an Epsom bath can help straighten you out. Epsom salts can be taken internally, but only on the advice of a physician. Benefit number 8. Epsom salt can volumize your hair. While you're in the bath, why not give your hair a dunk in the bath water? Epsom salt's exfoliating properties also work with your hair. The minerals can condition your hair and help with the removal of oils that make your hair greasy. I don't think it works as well as your regular conditioner, but the battle to keep your hair beautiful is an everyday battle. Why not give yourself every advantage? Benefit number 9. Relieve bed bug bites and bee stings. The anti-inflammatory properties in Epsom salt also works to relieve maladies caused by bugs. Bed bug bites itch like you wouldn't believe, and bee stings can be obnoxious and painful. The anti-inflammatory properties as well as the exfoliating properties can scrub the area clean and reduce the inflammation. This can relieve pain and itching too. Benefit number 10. A cheap mani-pedi while you bathe. A cheap way to do a mani-pedi is to use Epsom salt. Since you'll be soaking in a whole bath of it, why not give your fingers and toes some love while you're in there? If you soak them for a bit, then clean them off, cut them, and file them and soak again, it's pretty close to the feeling you get from a mani-pedi. Benefit number 11. Improve your facial. Sometimes a fun idea is to slip into a nice hot bath and put a mask on to help get those pores clean. If you add a little Epsom salt to it, you can use the detox and exfoliating properties to make your mask more effective. Your body gets detox and exfoliation, so why not your face too? Finally, a small tips for you on how to use Epsom salt. Okay, when you do an Epsom salt bath you shouldn't overdo it. Here are some quick instructions on how much you should add to your bath. Children under 60 pounds, add half cup of salts to a standard size bath. Individuals between 60 to 100 pounds, add 1 cup of salt to a standard size bath. Individuals between 100 to 150 pounds, add 1.5 cup of salt to a standard size bath. Individuals between 150 to 200 pounds, add 2 cups of salt to a standard size bath. For every 50 pounds larger, add in an additional half cup of salts. These days, with everything causing health problems, it's good to find nice, simple ways to add some health benefits for once. Epsom salt is relatively inexpensive and you don't need to cook it, or exercise, or do anything ridiculous to get the health benefits. You dump it in water and sit in it for a little while. Nice and easy, but make sure you don't overdo it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel if you like it. Goodbye.